The Germ Guardian AC4825 air purifier captures dust, allergens, and odors with its true HEPA and carbon filters, offering quiet, efficient air purification to keep your home fresh and healthy. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Germ Guardian AC4825 air purifier, true HEPA filter, and user manual. Product overview. How to use. Start by opening the back cover and removing the filter from its plastic packaging. Place the filter back inside and close the cover securely. Set the unit upright. Plug it into a power outlet and press the power button to start. The front display shows air quality at a glance, while the top panel lets you easily adjust the fan speed. It provides simple controls and smooth operation for effective and continuous air purification. Maintenance. The unit only has a washable pre-filter. The true HEPA and carbon filters need replacing. The filter indicator lets you know when it's time. To replace, remove the back cover, take out the old filters, vacuum any dust, insert the new filters, and reset the indicator. Replacing the UVC light requires removing the metal shield with a screwdriver and carefully taking out the old bulb using a clean cloth. When installing the new UVC light, avoid touching it with your fingers and place it securely in the designated slot. Smart features. The true HEPA filter captures 99.97% of airborne particles, including dust, pollen, and pet dander. It helps improve indoor air quality by removing even the smallest allergens from your home. The activated carbon filter helps reduce common household odors from pets, cooking, and smoke. It works alongside the HEPA filter to keep your indoor air fresh and clean. The UVC light helps reduce airborne germs, bacteria, and viruses for healthier air. It works with the filters to provide an extra layer of protection in your home. Multiple fan speeds let you adjust airflow for faster purification or quieter operation. In auto mode, the purifier senses air quality and automatically optimizes performance for efficient, continuous cleaning. Specifications. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. Want to grab the Germ Guardian AC4825 air purifier from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Germ Guardian AC4825 air purifier. See you in the next one.